Gary Striegler, an instructor at the Marc School of Woodworking, and I'm standing in the middle of the work that my students have done this week. They have had an absolutely incredible week, working hard and produced some amazing, amazing desks. Now, this is actually my first time to teach a project class, and what that means is every student built a desk that they're going to take home. Of course, all along the way, they're actually learning skills that they can apply to other woodworking projects around the house. We have had a phenomenal time this week, and I can't wait to see some of these when the students get them home, put the finish on them, and actually start using them. So, if you have any interest at all in taking a class, not just woodworking, there's so many other things to do at school, just check out marcadams.com. And the one thing you're going to find, anything that they do an amazing job at, really talented instructors, and just great people.